Ever since I saw Wednesday's pendant at the beginning of season 2, I fell in love and I just had to make my own. Wanna see how I went from this to this? Stick around. First, the 100% realistic version. Let's get into the step-by-step.
Broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on. For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best.
Now, let's talk about painting. For this pendant, I'm using Ohuhu acrylic markers. They're basically acrylic paint, but with the precision of a marker. No smudging, super opaque, and perfect if you want to seal it with varnish later. I chose them instead of regular acrylic paint because I needed strong coverage, but also a very thin application, so the details of the pendant don't get buried. And if you want to try them too, you'll find the link in the description.
Sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're
If you notice my rings, I picked them on purpose. This black bat ring feels straight out of the Addams universe, and the dragon wrapping around my finger? It's a perfect mix of gothic and fantasy. Both are from Perry-made, and honestly, they make me feel like I just walked out of Nevermore Academy. If you want to check them out, I left the links down in the description. Then comes the easy version. Faster, cheaper, and perfect if you're just starting out.
I'm hurting you as well. Guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll I'll get over you. Only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I wanna hate you, it's what it is.
Now you tell me, do you prefer the shiny pro look or the quick and simple one? Drop it in the comments and save this video for later.